Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen spatial Android 8.0 operating system for Hyundai CRV 2017 to 2018 years. Okay, let me do unbox review. Okay, let me open the header unit. Open the box. And then you can check the header unit with good condition. Okay, this header unit. Let me introduce honey set first. Okay. This is spatial harness for Hyundai CRV. Okay, this come with canvas box. This Civic 2016 also can work decoder Hyundai CRV. Okay, here is let me. You can check this support original camera. This camera input, and this also camera input, camera in, RCA type. Okay, this is audio, AUX input left and right. Okay, here this is radio antenna. This radio antenna. Okay, let's show the connector. You can check let me remove. Sorry. Okay, you can check this 2017 year CRV power cable. Okay, CRV power cable also fits the 18 years CRV power cable. Okay, here is 3 connector. Let me check this one. This one camera input and AUX left and right input. Okay. Okay. This one camera input, only the camera input. Power with 12 voltage already. Okay, and this one is connect the canvas box, decoder box. Okay. And it comes with the original USB. Okay. And let me show the install parts. These screws. You can check this install part right. This left. Okay. It comes with external microphone, GPS antenna, this camera input, and this connector. The two USB cable and the external microphone. This audio cable connector back overhead units. This video out 2, video out 1 and video out 2 for a rear display video, rear monitor, and this subwoofer and the audio cable. Okay. This video inputs and the AUX in left and right. Okay. Okay, let me show the head unit. Okay, you can check this special head unit from CRV. This is the back button, audio, MP, home button, microphone, reset hole, RPS touch screen. You can check. Okay, let me show the back. This radio ports, Wi-Fi antenna, connectors, fuse, power cable, GPS antenna. Okay, let me power on with 12 voltage. Okay, the head unit will be started. Okay, this is UI interface. Please take care of this screen protector. Okay. Very fast response. Let me check the setting. You can check this button color can be changed with green, blue, and other orange. With just any color. Okay. Let me check the but system, but device. You can check PX5 octa-core PX5 processor better than PX3 and AutoWin T8 octa-core. Android version is 8.0 real system. We back to home. Okay. It's built in the Google Play and Google Maps. It's volume button. Okay. And power. Okay, that's all. Thank you.